Now that we know how to play a full C major scale, let's take any highlighter you have and let's highlight the scale in Jumping Jazz Cat. So here's a full C major scale. There's another one. This one is a G major scale transitioning to a C major scale, a G major scale going to a full C major scale. Don't forget, in this piece, we have something new called DC al fine, which stands for da capo al fine, which means repeat back to the beginning, and we will finish where it says fine. Let's follow me. Starting with our right hand up on treble C, my left hand 3 on A, to C. Move down to the bass G. Back to the G. To the treble C. Take a close look at right hand. Let's start with our 5 onto the treble C. I'll play very slow and follow me. Turn our 3 over, jump, hold, jump, hold, jump. Move your 5 back to treble C. Hold, jump, hold, jump. Onto bar 11. We're putting our 3 on middle E and our 2 to that black key. Stretch to B and G, 6 keys, and the last line. Don't forget to repeat back to the beginning. C. Jump. Move back. Jump. Switching over to the left hand. 3 on middle A. Move down to the bass C. And again, move to the bass G. Turn our 3 over. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 to the F sharp. Move your 5 back to bass G. Turn the 3 over. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn the 3 over again. And don't forget to repeat at the beginning. Again. Again. And again. A little bit different this time.